Hello students, I am Ruchi. Welcome to my channel Reckon Classes. Today I am going to explain some main points of real numbers. Let's start real numbers summary. So first point is सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि ये नंबर्स क्या क्या होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ नेचुरल नंबर. सो वी रिप्रेजेंट नेचुरल नंबर्स by capital N. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are natural number. If we add 0 with natural numbers, so then we have whole numbers. So whole number, we represent whole numbers by W. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are whole numbers. Now next one is integers. So the collection of natural numbers with their negatives along with the number 0 is called integers, and integer is denoted by Z. So integers are like -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these are integers. Now next one is rational numbers. Rational number is a type of real numbers which is in the form of P by Q. P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Any fraction with non-zero denominator is a rational number. Examples are suppose examples are 1 by 4, 3 by 5 एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह से जो इस तरह के होते हैं नॉन ज़ीरो डिनोमिनेटर होना चाहिए. दीज आर कॉल्ड रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, यूक्लिड डिवीजन लीमा. Given two positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. We observe that if r equal to 0, then a is divisible by b or a is multiple of b. We can also say that b is the divisor or a factor of a. So this is Euclid's division lemma. Now point number third, Euclid's division algorithm. To obtain SCF of two positive integers, say a and b, where a is greater than b, follow the steps given below. So how can we find SCF of two positive integers? The first step is apply Euclid's division lemma to a and b. Thus we find the whole number q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 or less than b and less than b. Step number second, if in this case if r equal to 0, b is the SCF of a and b if r equal to 0, and if r not equal to 0, then apply Euclid's lemma to b and r. First हमने a and b पर लगाई थी Euclid's division lemma, and अगर r 0 है then b is the SCF. But if r not equal to 0, then applied this Euclid's lemma again to b and r. Third one, continue the process till the remainder is 0. The divisor at this stage will be the required SCF. Okay. Then SCF of AB equal to SCF of BR. जहाँ तक R 0 होता है वहाँ तक इसको करेंगे. Then in this case SCF of AB equal to SCF of BR. Now point number fourth. Point number fourth is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and the factorization is unique apart from the order in which the factors occur. ऑर्डर आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स के, लेकिन प्राइम फैक्टर्स के, लेकिन फैक्टराइजेशन हमेशा यूनिक होगा. Now fifth one, इफ़ p इज़ अ प्राइम, प्राइम नंबर्स क्या होते हैं जिसमें केवल 1 और उस नंबर का ही डिवाइड जाए, लाइक 5 है, 3 है, 7, these are called prime numbers. If p is a prime and p divides a square, then p divides a, where a is a positive integer. ठीक है, अगर p a स्क्वायर को डिवाइड करता है तो p a को भी डिवाइड करेगा if p is a prime. 6 point, √2, √3 and √5 are irrational numbers. √2, √3 and √5 are irrational numbers. ये कैसे हैं सब कुछ, ये पूरा डिटेल वीडियो, ये इसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी। ये पूरा का पूरा मैं वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ, तो इसका आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। और बाकी भी जितने टर्म 1 के 10th के चैप्टर्स हैं और टर्म 1 की समरी, हर चैप्टर्स की समरी और ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहाँ जाके लिंक फाइंड कर सकते हैं। नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 7th, a rational number which express the lowest term has factors 2 or 5 in the denominator. A rational number which express in the lowest term has factors 2 or 5 in the denominator can be written as terminating decimal, otherwise a non-terminating recurring decimals. Or in other words, if rational number a by b, a upon b, is such that the prime factorization of b means denominator का b is the form of 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n, where m and n are natural numbers, then a upon b has a terminating decimal expressions. ओके, इन सब चीज़ों को ध्यान रखिएगा, हो सकता है ये आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस में भी आ सकते हैं एग्ज़ाम में, ये सारी चीज़ें। पॉइंट नंबर 8, सो फ्रॉम 7 we conclude that every rational number can be represented in the form of terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. So every rational numbers can be represented in the form of terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. So we have two types of recurring decimals, pure recurring decimals and mixed recurring decimals. So pure recurring decimals is the number in which all figure after decimal points are repeated is called pure recurring. Example, suppose 0.4444 like that, so we can write 0.4 bar or 0.13. So these are pure recurring decimals. Now mixed recurring decimals, in which after the decimal points at least one figure is not repeated. One figure is not repeated and then some figure or figures are repeated. Is called mixed recurring decimals. Like example, for example, 0.53 bar. So it means 0.53333 like that, or 3.5812 bar. So इसमें 58 के अलावा 121212 बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, तो दीज आर कॉल्ड मिक्स्ड रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स. होप दिस वीडियो will be beneficial to all of you, and after some time I will take term 2 chapters videos also. So please subscribe my channel to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.